So what's up guys, and this is CJ Disa, and today we're gonna have a new video because we're gonna make a Canadian Air Force Airbus A310-300 or CC-150 Polaris. So before that, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to always updated for my new videos. And let's start it now. So this is the template of Airbus A310-300. You may screenshot and print it out.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will glow in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. Possible. I will chase, I will reach, I will fly until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing it into something big, better than before. And if it takes 1,000 lives, then it's worth fighting for. It's not until you fall that